Big plume of smoke coming from here. I don't know what exactly is over there, but it looks as if there's some serious burn. Wow. I do not hear any gunfire, any gunshots of any sort. There were reports of gunfire and bombings around Tesco Lotus now. I was almost attacked, so I had to escape. I was running. Just gonna stay here until it's safe to go.
When I started hearing about the buildings that I know their names getting burned, I thought to myself if I could see it from the roof of my building. So I just went up to the roof, take a look, and I just saw all the smoke. I couldn't believe it will be like that. Right now, yeah, we are under curfew. We actually got the message for the curfew when we were at work in the afternoon, and we just closed immediately and released all the staff home because we didn't want anyone to get stuck on the way.